Hidden step stool storage solves clutter and tripping hazards by tucking sturdy steps into toe kicks and drawer cavities. When designing a pull-out toe kick step with a handle, use full extension drawer slides rated for the expected load and mount a centered riser to prevent wobble. Cut the toe kick backer to the step frame depth and ensure a soft close or magnetic latch to keep the step secure when stowed. For a hinge step that folds into the kickboard, choose continuous piano hinges and a compression catch so the folded step sits flush against the cabinet face. Round the fold points and add non-slip rubber where the foot lands to improve safety. A compact telescoping step stored in the pantry should use nested metal or reinforced polymer tubes with positive detents at each extension so the unit locks at each height, and place it on a low shelf with a shallow lip to stop shifting when the door opens. For a recessed fold-down step near high cabinets, frame a small opening into the cabinet carcass and attach the step with heavy-duty butt hinges and a gas strut or spring assist so it deploys smoothly and returns slowly. Seal the opening with a trim ring to hide gaps. Magnetic latches work well for secure closure since they do not protrude and are simple to operate with a fingertip pull or a small recessed handle. Size the magnet to overcome typical toe kick contact, but not so strong that removing the step becomes difficult. Always measure clearances for knee and toe space before committing to any design so the installed unit does not interfere with adjacent doors or appliances. The most common mistake is underbuilding the support, which leads to flex and a feeling of instability, so reinforce with a cross brace and use higher grade slides or hinges to fix that. Another frequent issue is poor latch choice causing the step to pop out or rattle. Switch to a magnetic catch or a compression latch and add a small finger pull so the unit stays closed and is easy to open. People also often forget to account for toe clearance and surrounding doors, which makes the step unusable once installed. Mock up the mechanism with cardboard templates and test full range of motion before cutting into cabinets. We operate bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and contractors find work by listing projects and connecting people in their area. Our site also hosts an active discussion community where users share build tips, measurements, and photos so you can learn from real installations and ask follow-up questions.